Guys, I got a gift. I got this gift from my darling husband. Thank you so much, baby. Love you. And I want us to unbox it together. Mm, I don't know what's inside, but I'm guessing that it's a laptop because my laptop is faulty, developed fault few months ago. I forgot my battery inside for days. In fact, for more than 1 month. And when I tried to power it, it powered, but the screen didn't come up. So I think that's why my husband got me a laptop. So let us unbox it together. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is what it looks like, the inside. This is the inside. Yes, it's a laptop. It's a laptop. It's a laptop. Okay, let's start with this one. A laptop bag, laptop bag. Isa. Okay, next. Okay. I don't see the count. Okay. Finally. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let me push the camera down so I can see it very well. Okay. This is the first time I'm getting a new laptop. Like, I've never ever received any new laptop before. First time I'm unboxing a new laptop, guys. Please, you people should help me to thank my husband. Eh? Wow. Good girl. Woo! Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Esa Aspire. Aspire. Let me show you guys. Aspire. Okay. I'm just so grateful to God for giving me a husband that is very supportive, especially when it comes to career. So especially this my YouTube content creation is always supportive, and now he has gotten me a new laptop to continue my work. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you, baby. It's so beautiful. New laptop, new laptop, new laptop, new laptop. Let me check if there's anything inside. There's supposed to be something. Okay, these are the manuals. What is this one? Wow, it came with a mouse. It came with a wireless mouse. So, gege. Wow. Wireless mouse. Ooh. With battery. With battery. Wow. This is the manual for the mouse. The mouse manual. Let me check. This should be charger. Okay. Oh, not spoil anything. No. Okay, this is the charger. This is the charger. These are the manuals. Isa. First time I am owning a brand new tear rubber laptop. Tear the carton laptop. Thank you so much, baby. And the manual has plenty. So laptop they come with plenty manual like this. Let me show you guys the one I was using before. This is it right here. Yeah, that's my papa and my mama's so this is the laptop I've been using for the past, I think, 6 years. Yes, I think so. That was before I graduated from school. I was using it. I used it for my school project and all of that. So it got spoiled. When I power it, it will power, but the screen is no longer coming up. And now I have a brand new laptop. A brand new laptop. So this one is now scrap. This is the brand new laptop with mouse. Yeah. Should I power it so that we can see it? Power it. Or maybe I should charge it first, right? Yeah. It's better to charge it first. And I will use the mouse later. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And thank you so much, my darling husband. See you guys in my next video. Watch out for my next content. My next importation content is going to wow you. Thank you once again. See you in the next video. Bye.